Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Spotify not opening on Windows 11. First, we will fully close Spotify and start it again. Sometimes the app is running in the background and gets stuck. To fix this, right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and open Task Manager. In the list of running apps, look for Spotify. Click on Spotify once, then right-click on it and choose End Task. This will force Spotify to close completely. After that, close Task Manager and try opening Spotify again from your desktop or Start menu. If Spotify still does not open, the next step is to repair or reset the app. Open Settings on your PC and go to Apps. Then click on Installed Apps. Scroll down until you find Spotify in the list. Click on the three dots next to Spotify and select Advanced Options. Here, click on the Repair button first. This will try to fix the app without deleting your data. Wait a few seconds, then try opening Spotify again. If it still does not work, go back to the same screen and click Reset. Keep in mind that this will clear the app cache and sign you out of Spotify. If none of these steps work, uninstall Spotify from your system. After uninstalling, open the Microsoft Store, search for Spotify, install it again, and then open the app. Thanks for watching.